this 1000 times. Vorwärts, vorwärts, and canter. Come. Good, good. Canter, open up a little bit more. Good. Yeah, come, yeah. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Come, and very soft. Come, down the right. Come, down the right. Keep moving, yes. Come, down the right. Go straight over, turn left and canter. So, out the hip. No? Yeah, well. Good, and very soft. You see this, I looked 100 times, so I steady him better. Huh? Steady and canter. Come. Canter. So, yes, give the left. Yeah, try to get your right hip a little bit more forwards. Oh, yeah, well, forwards. Open up the door. Yes. Good. Yeah, well, and left, very soft. Turn left. Come. Turn right and canter. Shoot, out the hip. And canter. Shoot, out the hip. Yes. So on this horse I will do only with my hip, hardly anything with the legs, because he could do this with David very quick. Good, very nice. Yeah, very nice. And very soft. Inch. Good, come. Yeah, well. Good. And the tiny little bit shorter, softer, shorter, gentle, shorter, still shorter, softer, still shorter, good. Tiny little bit longer, and shorter, shorter, soft, shorter, softer, yes, good. Tiny little bit longer, come, and shorter, very soft, shorter, too short, softer, good, shorter, half on it, and soft, shorter, and a little bit longer, and shorter, soft, shoulder, very gentle, yeah, soft, easy, Volta, round hip, and Travier, half all right, soft, good, yes, very nice, and straight, very gentle, and second track, and Rovier, very soft, you're right, yes, good, keep it nice, quiet, and straight, center line, and half pass to the right, half all gentle with the right and let go, half all right, gentle, and roll there,